Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to disable or enable semantic highlighting inside VS Code. Semantic highlighting means that the variable name inside the function will be different. As you can see, the functional name is appearing in a yellow color and also the variable name is appearing in a different color. So this is called as semantic highlighting inside your source code. So it enables you to read your code in a more user-friendly way. So if you want to disable this semantic highlighting, it's very easy. You go to the settings option and right in the search bar, you simply search here semantic highlighting. Just search here and you will see this option right here, semantic highlighting. So this is specifically for C# files here. So if you want to disable this, you can untick this option. And this is the actual thing here, semantic highlighting, enabled, also modified elsewhere. You can change this to true if you want to enable this, but if you want to disable this, you can disable this. So you can see it is appearing in a different color. So if you want to disable this, you will simply select the false, and now the semantic highlighting is disabled. So in this easy way, you can toggle this option. So now you can see it is appearing in a different color. So in this easy way, you can do this and it's applicable for all the languages right here. So this is JavaScript here. This if I write a function right here. So you can see the color is different here. This is the function and this is a variable. So in this easy way, simply go to settings, type semantic and toggle this by having true or false. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.